ओम 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 भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. I bow down to God and to all the great Maharshis and Rishis, and I seek their blessings. Last time I was telling some of my experiences in the Himalayas. I stayed in Gangotri, Uttarkashi, Rishikesh, and many other places of the Himalayas for many years and had many experiences. And I was narrating to you some of my experiences. Most of the people in the world practice mantrams. Mantra practice is a common practice all over the world. But few people attain siddhis, with the perfection in the mantra. They know the truth through the mantra. While I was in the Himalayas, I came across many great people and I learned many things from them about the mantrams. Normally, when a guru gives the mantra, he does not tell all about the mantra to the disciple. He tells only a few things. So you have to struggle a lot to learn all the things about a mantra. In Rishikesh, I saw one person. He showed me many miracles. He asked me, what do you want? I said, I want cardamom. He produced. I spoke of an apple and he produced the apple. I spoke of some flowers. He immediately produced the flowers. Whatever I said, you see, though it was not available anywhere near that place, he produced them. I asked him how you are able to do it. He said, it is the power of the mantras. And I was not much more interested in that. I said, okay, it is good. But I was not interested in miracles. I was interested in seeing God and the soul face to face. So like that, you see, I saw some other miracles also. But my main interest was in perfecting the mantra. What is a mantra? Mantra is defined as mananat trayate iti mantraha. Mantra is that, you see, which when recited saves you from pain, misery and ignorance. The mantrams, how to do the mantrams? We have heard that in the Ramayana and Mahabharata, Rama and Hanuman, Valmiki, Pandavas and so many others did tapasya, penance and got great powers. They had, you see, special weapons which could be discharged with powerful mantras. The weapons can be thrown and can also be called back. Pashpatastra, Brahmastra, Varunastra, Agneyastra, Nagpashastra, and so many astras and shastras are there in the Ramayana and Mahabharata. In music also we see, you see, what is music? It is also sound. And they have got, you see, Deepak Raga. This Tansen, when used to sing this Deepaka Raga, it would light the lamps and the things around will be engulfed in flames. Once Akbar asked Tansen to sing the Deepak Raga. I want to see if the Deepak Raga can really put the lights on. But he was afraid that if the lights are on, the flames also will be, he will be engulfed in the flames. But he was comforted by his daughters and they said, if you don't worry, you sing the Deepak Raga, when the flames start, we will sing the Megh Malhar. You see that Megh Malhar, you see, the rains will come and they will put out the fire. And it happened like that. So, Tansen sang the Deepak Raga and the lamps were lighted. And after some time, he was also engulfed in flames. So he quickly ran out of the palace. And then his daughters sang this Megh Malhara Raga and the flames were put out. So this is, you can't say these are all fake things. Things are possible, you see. We have heard, and not only we have heard, that many people have seen. Swami Vivekananda mentioned in his memories that he saw one fakir, you see. He took a big plate, covered it with a cloth and asked the people, you just tell anything that you want and I will produce them here. So somebody was telling lotus, Swami Vivekananda said something, somebody said something, like that so many things were said. And when he lifted that cloth from the plate, all the things were present there and they were very fresh and very nice. And Swami Vivekananda says that it was neither magic nor hypnotism, it was real, and the mantra shastra is very, very real. So like that, you see, many people have seen. You must have heard about Paul Brunton, who was a British writer. He travelled all over India, and in his book, A Search in Secret India, he mentions of many miracles which he saw. He mentions about the Swami Vishuddhananda Paramahamsa, who was staying in Kashi. He visited him and he saw many miracles performed by him. He saw a bird there. The bird was moving all around. And when the Swamiji uttered a word, that bird died. The sparrow died. But then after some time, he again did something and it came to life and flew away. You could produce anything that you asked for. Jewels, sweets, and many other things. And Paul Brunton says it was a miracle. Then how he could do these things? The Swamiji said, you see, all these things are very, very scientific. There is nothing mystical in it. Because we do not know, we call it a mystery. It is the Surya Vijnana. He also knew Chandra Vijnana and other mantra siddhis also. He learnt all these things in the Himalayas, in the Siddhashram. So, the mantras are very powerful. They can do many things. We will continue about this topic in our next video. Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti. Thank you for watching this video. This video has been uploaded for the good of all, for the welfare of all. Sarvajana Hitaya, Sarvajana Sukhaya.